Seattle safely, and airport's crazy this morning getting through security, but I do have my Starbucks, got my coffee going on, I'm good to go. We'll be in Charlotte tonight. Stay tuned tomorrow for some exciting footage we're going to show y'all. We decided we were going to save a little money. The hotel we're staying at tonight offered free storage for long term while we were out and gone. So we thought, oh, that'd be cool. We'll save some money. Well, lo and behold, we got a phone call yesterday that our truck got broken into. Even though they told us parking under the lights in front of the camera it would be safe, it was not. So tomorrow we're going to get back. I spent this morning making a reservation to get a new window put in the side of the truck, and tomorrow we'll have that installed 9 a.m. and then we're going to head back to Forest Lake, get the rig out of storage, set up, and then we'll start pouring live. So we will catch y'all when we get back to Charlotte. Hey guys, we're back in Charlotte. It's definitely going to take a little getting used to. We're normally used to landing in Jacksonville, Florida, having somebody pick us up and take us back to the house. But that was the old life. This is the new life. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we're going to head to our hotel. That's supposed to be safe. And we'll call a local PD. We'll have to do a police report. Hopefully nothing's damaged on the truck other than the glass. We have it scheduled tomorrow morning to get the glass replaced. So stay tuned and watch some videos on that. Tell us what you think. All right, got to the hotel. Now to look at the damage to our vehicle at a secure lot that's supposed to be safe in front of a camera and under a light. Yeehaw. It was nice of the manager that he'd tape it up, so that's wonderful news. Good morning, everybody. We got here last night, had the cops come out. Did a report, not that it's going to do any good. This is what we came home to. Sad part is they literally stole nothing. That's the sad part. They literally just ransacked it. I don't leave weapons in my vehicle. So they even took my mount off the dashboard. So this is what we came home to. We're now going to go driving about 30 minutes away. The young lady at the glass company was very friendly to help us, and she's got it scheduled to get a new glass put in at 9 a.m. this morning. So fun, fun, fun. The life of full-timers. Hey guys, we made it to Auto Glass now. We'll get us a new window and we will be on the road. Alright guys, we've left the airport. We've made it back to Advance, North Carolina. Since we didn't have the camper hooked up, we thought this would be a great opportunity to go ahead and head into the Walmart and get us some groceries for the week and everything. So that's what we're going to take care of. If you got the opportunity to do that, always do that instead of taking your camper, because some parking lots, even though Walmarts are pretty big, still kind of a pain to pull it in there. So we're going to do that now. Got to hit a couple items at the Dollar Tree and get for some laundry. So big little shopping time, and then we'll head back. Lake. Got all our groceries. And we've gotten checked into. They're going to let us in here. Put a tag up on the dashboard or the window.
You're supposed to enter the code.
Oh, I don't know. She didn't give me a code. How do I get in?
Maybe you're supposed to punch a code in.
Future Children's Vineyards. If you're going to go to a vineyard, you go to one that owns a NASCAR team.
Okay.
All right, we're coming in. Couldn't notice this. Ashley came in. This is just for all you ladies. Just thought it looked really cool looking. Thought I would share. It's like a couple, some wine. Really definitely cool. One that goes into a, oh wow, look in there. Karen, come here. That is really cool. Lot. It's like where they make some wine. How cool is that? That we come into. This is the outside vineyards. That's where we were sitting downstairs. Beautiful place here. If you get a chance, definitely come. Highly recommend. We are doing a little wine tasting today.
This is Sun-Kissed Strawberry.